Beep beep, coming through. Ladies and gents, massive haul time. I shouldn't have done it, but I did it. First, we shall start with the small bag. Okay, and everything comes in these boxes, which are wrapped up so pretty, and now I'm gonna unwrap them. I really don't want to unwrap it, but okay, I'm doing it for you guys. Oh, here we go. Are you ready? Oh, that's awkward. So you definitely just slide it open. And right here we have a wallet. Let me show you it. Oh my god. Okay. Dun dun dun. Excuse me, what? Yo. Oh my gosh. I know it's like really simple, but like, wait till you see the rest. And for bag number 2, a medium-sized bag. Let's see what's inside. Got ourselves a big old box. Can you guess what's inside? Unwrap the pretty bow. All right. Stop it. Also, this is my first time in Vegas, so like I had to spoil myself, right? Yeah, just agree with me. All right. I got myself the matching purse, but like guys, no, it's literally 2 purses in one, and it matches the wallet perfectly. Okay, I swear to you, you can literally wear this like 800 different ways. It comes with 2 different straps, and you can take these off. Okay, so you unclamp it like that, and then you literally have 2 purses. Okay, so we have this one, and then you can literally adjust this so it can be like a crossbody bag, it can be like a shoulder bag, you can make it shorter, you can put them together, like, yes. Okay, now you guys are gonna have to like for part 2, because we got some more stuff.